My name is Ashley Osborne. I am one of the industrial maintenance teachers here at the Tyson School of Innovation. My role at the Tyson School of Innovation is the industrial technology program. So basically we do anything from welding to hydraulics, pneumatics. We do metal fabrication, electricity, plumbing, and etc. I mean, really the list goes on and on and on. My favorite thing about the program is that I get the opportunity to work with students each and every day. I get to invest in kids, and not just invest, but teach them something that's going to make them money and teach them something that's going to support their families one day. We have a lot of seniors who we want to place in a job, I shouldn't say job, we want to place them in a career that they're happy with, because it's all about them in the end.
I work for the school district for HVAC, and I wake up like at 5, go to work at 6:30, and then we'll just be checking some of the units to see if there's anything wrong with the motor, the compressor, and if there's something wrong, we fix it. Get out at 11, come to school at 12:55, and just start welding. It's fun, you know, you get to make your own stuff and you can take pride in it, and then you can see nothing turn into something. My dad has a business, and I'm thinking of adding welding to his business and start my own business.
My specialty is HVAC. I have family that does it for a living. Aside from the money, you know, you make really good money. I enjoy it. It's something that I like to do. For me, like a typical day, I'll wake up at 5:30 in the morning. Work starts at 6. I tend to work from 6 in the morning until 11. And then I come here to class from 1 o'clock until 3:45. And then school ends. So that's usually about my day. And here I just come and study more HVAC stuff. To be able to go work there, do the actual work, and then come here and get to mess around with stuff, it's amazing, because once I'm out there in the field, it's like, oh yeah, I know what all this stuff is, so it really helps out, and I feel like I get an advantage because of it.
If we give our students the skill sets through all of our programs that we offer, we give them a leg up on the competition to go in and also enhance our communities, both economically and viably, to be sustainable for the future, so that our best and brightest potentially have an opportunity to stay here local and grow and supplement Northwest Arkansas as we continue to move forward.